In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use microphone in Zoom meeting. If you're already inside a Zoom meeting and you want to make sure people can hear you, the good news is that it's very simple. I'll walk you through exactly where to look, how to turn your microphone on, and how to choose the correct microphone if Zoom is using the wrong one. Once you're inside the meeting, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the Zoom window. This is where you'll find the microphone controls. You should see a microphone icon there, and this icon tells you whether your mic is currently on or off. To turn on your microphone, click the microphone icon. After you click it, check the symbol carefully. If you see a plain microphone icon with no line through it, that means your microphone is on and other participants should be able to hear you. If you see a line through the microphone, that means your microphone is off or muted. This visual cue is helpful because it lets you confirm your status at a glance, especially before you start speaking. If you ever need to quickly mute or unmute yourself during a meeting, you can also use the keyboard shortcut Alt+A. That can save time, especially if you're presenting or switching between tasks. If your microphone is on but people still can't hear you, the next thing to check is whether Zoom is using the correct device. To do that, click the small arrow next to the microphone icon. This opens the audio options menu. In that menu, you'll see several useful settings. You can choose which microphone Zoom should use, and you can also choose your speaker output. In addition, Zoom gives you options related to microphone mode, along with tools to test both your microphone and your speaker. This is especially useful if you have multiple audio devices connected, like a laptop mic, headphones, USB microphone, or Bluetooth headset. If something doesn't sound right, take a moment to test your microphone and speaker from this menu before continuing with the meeting. That can help you avoid common audio issues and make sure your voice comes through clearly. So to recap, while you're in a Zoom meeting, use the microphone icon in the bottom left corner to mute or unmute yourself. Look at the icon to confirm whether your mic is on. Use Alt+A as a shortcut if needed, and click the arrow next to the microphone icon to select the right device and test your audio. And that's it. Now you know how to use your microphone in a Zoom meeting.